Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to play Please Donate on Roblox. So first of all you have to tap on Roblox app and just come to home page. Now you just need to search for Please Donate and you will get this game here. You just need to tap on play button to play this game, and I'll show you how can you play this game. So once you enter in the game, so to play in the game guys, first thing you have to do is you have to look for any empty stand here which is not claimed by anyone. So these are all claimed, but this stand is not claimed yet, so I'm gonna claim this. I just need to hold this stand button and my stand will be claimed. Now you can see that there is some items listed here on my stand. So these are basically the game passes that I have already created on my account. If you don't know how to create game pass, I'll give you the link in the description. You can see how to create these game passes. So whenever you claim this stand, claim a stand in Please Donate, your item will be listed automatically. It will be fetched by your account and will be listed here. So once you claimed your stand, now you can customize your stand. Just tap on this pencil icon, just tap on this, let me hide this, just tap on this booth edit button, and now you can choose the booth theme if you have so I just change it to sky blue or the purple one, and you just need to tap on pencil icon. You can change the text as well here, like please help me with Robux. Fine, you can write any attractive message which may help you to get Robux. So once you applied it, just tap on this cross button and just tap on it. Your message will be appear here, but due to some error or these some issue with the Please Donate, that's why my message is not showing. Or you can change its theme to any color, like I'm gonna change it to green, stock color to, let's take it blue, opacity to, let me increase the opacity. Yeah, these are the things. If you want to make these changes, you have to be VIP. So, and if you want to unclaim your stand, you can unclaim your stand as well in the game. Now once you guys set up your stand, now guys you just need to talk to the people in the game and ask them to donate to you. So just stand here, or you can talk to them personally by using voice chat feature and ask them to donate you and tell them to donate you at your stand. If they are interested, they donate you, and your raised Robux will be updated here. You can see I have already raised 17 Robux. So I don't play this game much, but yeah, so I just played this game for a few minutes and I got this 17 Robux. So you have to interact with people to get Robux for free. And yeah, hope you understood, and if you have any doubt you can ask in comment section. Till then, bye bye.